Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Rasha B. Flores, 26 years old, single. I am undergraduate of college, Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Hi, Miss Rasha. How are you right now?
I'm fine, thank you, Sir, Madam.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, I'm honest, loyal, hardworking.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, Madam, to avoid my homesickness, I'll make my time busy at work.
So can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, I will feed them with good and nice food, treat them as my brother and sister, taking a bath and play with them if I have time.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I promise I will not make it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me because I want to support my mother financially and earn more to support my future. And promise to do my best to fit to the job. And I promise again to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Ms. Rasha, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.